There's the vintage Otis elevator that I filmed earlier. That's already on my channel if you want to watch the video of it. But we're going to film the other elevator here, elevator B. Looks like this one also used to be an older Otis, but since been modded, it looks like.
4-3 going up.
Oh no, actually, I don't know who the heck would have installed this one. But
Going
that
up.
doesn't look like Otis to me.
Floor 5.
But as you can see, the other elevator doesn't come up here. For some reason, that one only goes between 1 and 3. B is locked. That's probably what that Yale key is for.
Floor 1. Going up.
4, please.
Sorry, I'm just getting video for a project.
No, that's what I assumed. It's okay.
Have a good day.
Floor 4 going up.
Actually, I'll get a better shot of this cargo. There we go. That's a good thumbnail. Anyway, so that's the modded elevator. I think there's a couple others. I'm probably not going to film those because I'm short on time. I'll probably film them next time I come through.
Floor 5.
So they'll still be on the channel at some point. Anyway, that is elevator B.